If Steam is showing a corrupt update files error, don't worry about it. This is usually caused by a clogged download cache, a permissions issue in your Steam library folder, or occasionally a bad download region. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get your game updating again without wasting time. And if this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick gaming fixes. Let's get started. The first and most common fix is to clear the Steam download cache. This is one of the best places to start because cache data can become outdated or corrupted and prevent Steam from downloading clean update files. To do this, open Steam, then go to the top left corner and click Steam, then Settings. Once the Settings window opens, select the Downloads tab on the left side. Here, look for the option that says Clear Download Cache. Click it, then confirm the prompt. Steam will restart after clearing the cache, and that is completely normal. Once it reopens, you'll need to sign back in, but this step often fixes the corrupt update files issue right away. If the problem is still there, the next step is to repair your Steam library folder. Sometimes Windows permissions can glitch, and Steam may not be able to write update data properly to the drive where your game is installed. To check this, go back into Steam settings and click Storage. You'll see a list of your installed drives and library folders. Select the drive where the affected game is installed. Next, click the three dots next to the storage bar and choose Repair Folder. Steam will scan the library location and fix any folder permission or structure problems it finds. Give it a few moments to finish and then try updating the game again. Now, if only one specific game is giving you the corrupt update error, the issue may be with that game's local files rather than Steam itself. In that case, you should verify the integrity of the game files. Go to your library, right-click the game that is having the problem and choose Properties. From there, open the Installed Files section. You'll see an option that says Verify Integrity of Game Files. Click it and let Steam run the scan. Steam will compare your local files against the official version on the server and automatically re-download anything that is missing, damaged, or mismatched. This is especially useful if the game was interrupted during an update or if one file got corrupted on disk. If you still haven't fixed it, try changing your download region. Sometimes the Steam server you're connected to may be overloaded, or it could be serving a bad file segment that keeps causing the update to fail. To change this, go back to Steam settings and open the Downloads tab again. Look for download region and switch it to a nearby city or even another country if needed. Choose a different region, then restart Steam completely. After that, go back and resume the update. In many cases, simply connecting to a different region is enough to bypass the bad download source and get everything working again. So to quickly recap, if you're dealing with corrupt update files on Steam, start by clearing the download cache, then repair your Steam library folder, verify the game files, and finally change your download region if needed. Most users will solve the problem with one of these four fixes, and the first two are usually the most effective. If this video saved you time, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more helpful Steam tutorials, and leave a comment if you want help with another error. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.